You won't believe how one tiny mistake you're making every single night is draining your energy the very next morning, but the moment you fix this tonight, you're going to feel a change so fast that you'll wonder why no one ever told you this before. Your body is constantly communicating with you, especially at night, when your cells are supposed to repair, recharge, and reset. But most people don't realize that their nighttime routine is silently sabotaging their energy, their metabolism, and even their mood. If you wake up tired, heavy, foggy, or unmotivated, even after getting enough sleep, then something inside your system is off, and the scary part is, it's not because of your age, your job, or your stress level. It's one hidden imbalance that builds slowly and quietly, until your body just can't keep up anymore. Most Americans experience this without ever knowing what's causing it. They try coffee, energy drinks, supplements, new mattresses, sleep apps, and even breathing exercises. But nothing truly fixes the problem because they're treating the wrong thing. Energy doesn't start in the morning, it starts the night before. Your body prepares your next day's energy while you sleep. So if your energy is crashing early, the root cause is happening before you even close your eyes. The truth is, your body only needs one thing to repair correctly at night: a stable internal environment. And the one thing that disrupts this more than anything else is elevated nighttime insulin. When insulin is high at night, your cells can't fully reset. You don't shift into fat burning. You don't repair inflammation. You don't rebuild your mitochondria, the tiny engines that produce energy inside your cells. So when you wake up, your body feels like it ran out of charge halfway through the night. Nighttime insulin spikes come from just one simple habit: eating too late. And not just eating late, but specifically eating carbohydrates, sugars, snacks, or even healthy foods that you think are harmless. Even a small bowl of cereal, a handful of crackers, a piece of fruit, a granola bar, a slice of bread, or a late night tea with sugar is enough to keep your insulin elevated long after you fall asleep. Your body was supposed to be repairing, but instead it's busy trying to balance blood sugar. That's why you wake up tired, stiff, heavy, or mentally slow. But here's the good news: if you fix this one thing tonight, you can dramatically change your energy by tomorrow morning. Your cells respond quickly, your mitochondria love stability, and your metabolism finally gets the chance to shift into repair mode. When insulin drops at night, your body taps into stored energy. Your brain clears inflammation. Your hormones balance, your liver detoxifies properly, and your nervous system resets so you don't wake up feeling drained or anxious. The fastest way to improve your energy is simple: stop eating 3-4 hours before bed. That's it. This gives your insulin enough time to fall so your body can enter deep cellular repair, and the effect is almost immediate. Many people feel the difference after just one night. You wake up lighter, clearer, calmer, and more energized. Not because of caffeine or supplements, but because your system finally did what it was supposed to do while you were sleeping. When you sleep with lower insulin, your growth hormone increases. This hormone is responsible for fat burning, tissue repair, anti-aging, and energy restoration. You can think of growth hormone as your overnight mechanic. It restores everything your body spent during the day, but high insulin shuts it off. So if your energy is always low, it means your nighttime repair was blocked. The moment you remove the thing blocking it, everything changes. Another reason your energy improves is that your liver is finally able to rest. Your liver is the engine of your metabolism. It detoxifies, filters, balances hormones, and breaks down stored fat. But when you eat late, your liver works overtime while you're sleeping. Instead of restoring your body, it's processing food, so you wake up feeling like you didn't sleep at all. Fixing your nighttime eating pattern instantly frees your liver to do what it needs to do. And when your liver is happy, your entire body runs smoother and cleaner. Your circadian rhythm also plays a huge role. Eating late confuses your internal clock. Your body thinks it's still daytime because food signals wake mode. This suppresses melatonin, increases cortisol, and weakens your sleep quality. Even if you sleep 7-8 hours, it's shallow sleep, not restorative sleep. That's why you wake up tired even after a full night in bed. By avoiding food late at night, your circadian rhythm realigns, your hormones settle, and your sleep becomes deeper naturally. If you want to take this routine to the next level, replace late night eating with hydration. Most people mistake dehydration for hunger. When you feel like you need a snack at night, your body is often just thirsty. Drinking water or herbal tea without sugar signals your body that you're done eating for the day and allows insulin to fall even faster. This speeds up your overnight repair cycle dramatically. Another powerful boost comes from adding magnesium-rich foods during the day. Magnesium calms your nervous system, relaxes your muscles, and helps regulate insulin. When your magnesium is low, your sleep is shallow, your stress hormones stay elevated, and you wake up feeling drained. Adding leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, nuts, or magnesium supplements earlier in the day can help your body slip into deeper rest at night. But the real magic happens when you combine stable insulin, low nighttime stress hormones, hydration, and a proper circadian rhythm. This is the formula your body uses to create energy naturally without stimulants. You don't need caffeine to wake up. You wake up energized because your cells were actually rebuilt overnight. Most people think energy crashes come from age or lifestyle, but in reality, they come from chronic nighttime disruption. And because people don't connect their late night eating to their morning fatigue, they never solve the real issue. But once you understand this connection, everything changes. You have control again. One tiny shift creates a massive difference. Tonight, stop eating 3-4 hours before bed. Drink water instead of snacking. Let your insulin fall. Give your liver space. Let your mitochondria repair. And tomorrow morning, pay attention. Notice how your mind feels clearer. Notice how your mood feels lighter. Notice how you don't crash first thing in the morning. That's your body thanking you. Energy doesn't come from stimulants, it comes from repair. And repair happens when insulin is low. Fix this tonight, and you'll feel the difference tomorrow.